Can you see me? Hi, I'm here. Hello. Let me turn on the lights. Whew, wow, it's so dark just now. I have to use my flashlight. Let me turn that off. Turn off the flashlight, please. Okay, it's off. Oh, by the way, do you know how to turn on your flashlight on your iPhone or Android phone? All you can do is tell your phone to turn on the flashlight. Or we can say, turn on the torch, please. Turn off the torch, please. If you watched Harry Potter, you know, Harry always turn on the lights with his magic wand. And he always said this, Lumos. Knocks. Pretty cool, right? You know, when I was using these functions, I was wondering, what if all these cool technology stuff doesn't work? That's crazy, right? And people enjoy these functions. I was wondering, what if these electronic devices doesn't work? I mean, you know, iPhone's battery. Okay, let me turn that off. Knocks. I mean, the battery of my iPhone, it's not long enough. The battery of my Apple Watch Ultra, it sucks. What if all these technology stuff doesn't work and our power station was cut off? God said, let lights. Then we have lights. We have the sun in the sky during the day, but at night, yes, of course we have the moon, but the moonlight is not bright enough. If all these lights, the power station was cut off and there is no lights, and our phone doesn't work, Apple Watch, the band, all of these electronic devices doesn't work. What do we have to do? We have to go back to the traditional ways. I searched a long time online. I found this brand, LED Lenser, and I chose P2R Core. It's German engineering and design. So let's open it and check it out. 120 lumens, 65 meters. Wow, 65 meters. Advanced focus system and battery charge. Rechargeable battery included. Let's open it. Okay. 7-year warranty. Look at this one. I can put it in my pocket easily. Look at it, guys. It's so tiny, so small. This is my middle finger. This is my middle finger, and this is the pen light. I think it's 10, 12 maybe. What's inside? Wow, chargeable battery. It's like my pinky, shorter than my pinky. So tiny. This is a cable. It's a micro USB. Can you see that? And that's all. Check this 7-year warranty. I checked the box. At the bottom, it said 7-year warranty. Only register on their website. If you do not register on their website, only in 2 years. Let me turn off the lights. This is the first level. If I screw this, wow. If I do this, it will focus on something. Okay. Second level. Wow. Third level. It's very bright. I can focus on something. Okay, let me turn it on. Wow. Is it cool? I can't help smiling. I'm going to take this pen light with me from today on. I want to show you my keychain. Do you know what's this? Maybe I can show you in the next video. Today, this is the new roll. So I'm going to put it on my keychain. Oh, problem is, how can I put it on my keychain? Do you know how to do this, guys? There is a pocket clip. I can do this. But how can I put it on my keychain? Alright guys, if you know it, please leave the comments, let me know. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. knocks. Charge it. Oh, yeah, that's it. This is how we charge it. There is a little light on the top of the battery. If I pull it out, it will off. If I charge it, the light is on, the red light. Now it's fully charged. The light is green.